Hey folks, David Fine here from Watch Your Lip. Guys, we're going to go through our knot tying series together. This is another knot that we use to splice two different lines together. So I have our red line that represents our main fishing line and our yellow line which represents our leader material. This is called the blood knot. And so basically what you do with the blood knot is you lie the two lines opposite one another. You take a pencil or a Q-tip or something like that, and you put this in the middle, and then what you do is you just twist. You twist these like this, and it starts to make, you know, I'm going to twist it like 7 or 8 times here. Okay, now you got to bring the tag ends and bring them back through the little eye. So, and you have to do it opposite. So I'm going to do the red tag. I'm going to come from underneath. I'm going to come up, and then I'm going to take this yellow tag and I'm going to go down through the other side. All right, and this is a little bit more tricky, to be honest, than my other knots. I prefer the double uni, but we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna pull this a little bit. Where's my red tag? Oop, almost lost my red tag. Okay, we pull them down, we clench them down. Okay, I'm gonna wet it. You lubricate the line so it doesn't burn the monofilament, which happens actually. So now we just clench this down and clench it down on the other side, and voila, we have a blood knot. And that's a tight knot, guys. We can cut off our tag ends here. All right, guys, that right there is a blood knot, and that thing is tight. I like it. Guys, I don't use this one while I'm fishing. I use the double uni. And I think it's a little bit more cumbersome than the double uni. I think the double uni is easier to tie, but I do like it. And it does feel like a very, very tight knot, which probably is better for splicing leaders, because this is gonna go through your guides of your fishing rods probably easier than the double uni, in my opinion. I think it's a little bit of a tighter knot, and there's not going to be any cumbersome, you know, interaction with the knot as it goes through the guides of your fishing rod. So here's a clip on me tying a double uni knot, just so that you can see the difference. Tying a double uni knot is really simple. Take two fishing lines, lay them across each other opposite, take the thicker of the two fishing lines, make a loop, and then take the tag end of that line, wrapping it 4 to 6 times around the loop and the line, and using lubrication like saliva or water if you need to lubricate it. Then pull it tight, repeat with the other side, make a loop with the other fishing line, and pull it through and wrap it around 4 to 6 times. Then lubricate and pull tight. Now you'll have 2 different knots on your fishing line. You take the 2 different lines on the either end and you pull tight, and the 2 knots will clinch together. The last step is to cut your tag ends off, and you have your double uni knot. All right, guys, hope you liked the video. Thumbs up on the video, it helps a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll show you on Watch Your Lip how to catch fish in South Florida, including tarp and snook, permit from the beach. We do a lot of fresh water, salt water, all kinds of stuff. Thanks, guys, for watching. Blood knot, I like it. Until next time, Watch Your Lip.